Okay, now let us continue. The boys are playing in the ground. Okay, this is a sentence. They are telling you to divide into two parts. So, in this, can you recognize which is a noun? Noun? Yes. So, boys. This is a noun, boys. Right now, children. So, while we are dividing, what is this playing? What is this playing? Playing is a verb or action done. So, it is a verb. What is this are? What is this are? It is also a verb, but it is a helping verb. Okay, it helps the verb playing by giving the same word are. So, from where we can divide it into two parts? We can divide it from the boys. So, this is the boys are noun phrase and these are verb phrase. We can divide it into two parts, means this much only coming. Then in this other categories will be coming, that I will tell you. So first of all, when we are dividing, if they ask in the sentence, sometimes they'll ask, they'll give the sentence and they'll tell, recognize or pick out the verb phrase and write in the answer. So if they ask verb phrase, you have to write from here only. Okay. Then if they ask noun phrase, you have to write the first part only. Subject part only. Okay, this is the main thing you have to know in the examination if they ask. Now I divided noun phrase and verb phrase. Understood now? Now again noun phrase can be divided into other groups. In this I told if it comes under one group noun phrase, again that is divided into others and other categories, means I told you first only. No. So here the is a article. What is this? Article, children. And boys, I told you it is a noun, main noun. So it is a main noun. Main head noun we can tell. We can tell that is a head noun, main noun. Main noun is boy and before that coming is the article, the. Totally these two also will make a noun phrase. Okay. Now here are playing in the ground they took as a verb phrase and nothing they divided. But still I can tell you something here. I can divide this also into other categories. How? So this are is a helping noun. I told you helping verb. Playing is a main verb. And in is a, after that if you take this in will come under prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Why it is called prepositional phrase? Why I told you in the ground is prepositional phrase? Because in is a preposition. In is a preposition, mean in is preposition there. Rather next everything comes under prepositional phrase. Okay. So in this only step by step many things you have to learn, but we can stop it here. They have divided that much only, but I have explained you what is a verb phrase also. Now, while writing in the textbook you see how they wrote plus like that only you have to write. Then second sentence, the old grandfather was helpless. So which is the main noun phrase there? The old grandfather. After was is a helping verb. Helpless is a verb. So it is a verb phrase. Then again the old grandfather, in the da is a article. Old is adjective. Old is adjective. Know how you told that it is adjective? How? Because it describes the noun. Grandfather is noun. How is a grandfather? It tells us adjective. Right now, children. So it is a adjective. The word which explains or describes a noun is called a adjective. You can tell tall tree. Tree is a noun, tall is an adjective. Fat girl. Fat is an adjective, girl is a noun. So these are the examples. So the old grandfather. So old is an adjective, the is an article, grandfather is a head noun. And verb phrase starts from a was and a helpless. So was also was is a helping verb, helpless is a main verb. So I hope you have understood what I have explained. Now you have to take these sentences. The noun phrase can be a single word, head noun, or more than one word, head noun and modifier also. So identify the noun phrase and its modifiers from the following sentence. This is a homework for you to do in the notes book. Okay, now turn up the page number 38. Here they are given the table. Which word is under which category? So first one, articles. In articles group A and the will come. In possessives, what will come? Grandfathers, teachers, that all. Then demonstratives, this all. So you have to study this. No need to write. You have to study and you should know this. Okay, categories in which level the words will be categorized. Otherwise you won't understand how to modify this, divide this noun and verb phrase. So my first unit is completed. Okay, now I am stepping into the second unit, that is the frames. Frame. See the frame. How the frame comes. Level. So one complete structure given to a thing or anything, sir. So or in our life also, when we give a definite structure to our life, it will give us the complete frame. How the photo will stand erect when we give a complete frame to the photo, same way our life also stands in a correct way when there is a frame. So this unit refers in the frame chapter. Here we are getting prose 2. One is Project Tiger. Author is Satyajit Ray. His memoir it is not profile. What is the difference between profile and memoir? Memoir. Profile is their biodata. Memoir they are telling. Okay, they are only speaking and telling their story. That is memoir. So Project Tiger, My Sister Shoes. It is a screenplay by Majid Majidi. And song Blowing in the Wind. 2 units and 2 lessons and 1 poem is under these frames. Okay. Now this is one individual page. You can complete or keep it. It is given to you. Your own answers you have to fill here. How many movies you are seeing, that all. Okay. Now open page 42. You have to write the profile of Charlie Chaplin, Akira Kurosawa and maybe Gopal Krishnan. This person is think so. So you can open in the what we can tell Google and search their profile and you have to complete here. Okay. 3 hours and send me the pic of that. Now start the lesson. Project Tiger. Next class I will continue the new lesson. Till that, take care. Goodbye.